Welcome to City Break Inspiration, your ultimate guide to exploring captivating cities around the world. In this episode, we're embarking on a journey to Krakow, Poland's cultural gem. Join us as we explore the top attractions that make Krakow a city of history, art, and charm. 1. Rynek Glowny, Main Market Square. Our first stop is Rynek Glowny, the main market square, the heart of Krakow. Marvel at the historic cloth hall, the stunning St. Mary's Basilica, and the iconic Town Hall Tower. The square is a lively hub of activity and a great place to start your exploration. 2. Wawel Castle and Cathedral. Visit the majestic Wawel Castle, a symbol of Polish royalty. Explore the castle's beautiful interiors, and don't miss the Wawel Cathedral, where Polish kings were crowned and laid to rest. 3. Kazimierz, the Jewish Quarter. Explore the charming streets of Kazimierz, the historic Jewish Quarter. This neighborhood is filled with synagogues, old buildings, and a rich cultural history. Be sure to visit the Galicia Jewish Museum for insights into the Jewish heritage. 4. Schindler's Factory. Learn about the dark history of World War II at Schindler's Factory Museum. This museum tells the story of Oskar Schindler and the Krakow ghetto, offering a profound and educational experience. 5. Planty Park and Vistula River. Take a leisurely walk in Planty Park, a lush green belt surrounding the old town. Enjoy views of the Vistula River, where you can take a boat tour to see the city from the water. 6. Jagiellonian University. Visit the historic Jagiellonian University, one of the oldest in Europe. The beautiful Collegium Maius building and its charming courtyard are a testament to Krakow's academic tradition. 7. St. Florian's Gate and City Walls. Stroll to St. Florian's Gate, one of the original entrances to the city, and admire the well-preserved city walls. This area offers a glimpse into Krakow's medieval past. 8. Krakow's Underground Market Square Museum. Delve into Krakow's history at the Underground Market Square Museum, located beneath the main market square. Explore the remains of the medieval city and discover the secrets hidden underground. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Krakow's top attractions. This city, with its rich history, art, and culture, is a captivating destination. Explore the best of Krakow and be inspired by the beauty and heritage of this remarkable city. That's all for now. I hope this video helped you plan your trip. And if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe. That way, you'll be the first to know about my new videos.